Sturgeon round two, sturgeon round two. This is our moment. This is our chance. Our time to shine. Cue the Rocky music right now. We should have our own soundtrack for the sturgeon mission. We are meeting up again with Luke and Jacob. They've been so kind to meet us back out in the ice during the Vikings game. Okay, just keep that in mind to come fish with us for another shot at a sturgeon.
I mean, I'm not watching the biggest game of the year for the Vikings today. I'm out with the boys.
Take one for the boys. These guys are MVPs. Let's get after this. It's go time. Got that bait.
It's 4 minnows.
4 little minnows. Gonna get smashed by a freaking lake sturgey. Tonight has been the night of living mud puppy. There's so many of those guys down there. Way more of those guys than our sturgeon, of course. But this is definitely the biggest one I've caught. Look how freaking fat this one is. This is a size 2500 reel next to a mud puppy. They do have gills and they are aquatic, so keeping them out of water isn't great, but I want to show you guys what they look like. He's kind of cute. I don't think, yeah, they do have little tiny eyes.
You won't kiss him.
But they're mostly, I won't kiss him. You're exactly right. I will not kiss him. Another sturgeon? I got a mud puppy. All right, back down you go, Ace. I think this mud puppy might have eaten a sturgeon, honestly. He's so plump. And that continues. What time we got? Time check. Time check.
9:02.
9:02. Jacob and Luke are missing some sturgeon over there, which is good. It's good to know that in the area. We have not been able to mark a single one, maybe 1 or 2. Those mud pup, they smell like dirt. That's my update for you guys. Not much. What's racing through your mind right now?
You know how in like cartoons when they look inside of someone's brain, it's just like a monkey with the symbols?
Yeah. Yeah. Is that you right now? I've got the same thing going on, but the monkey's not doing this. It's just
It's just sitting there.
Yeah. But we're gonna try to make lemonade out of lemons, right? Is that the saying? We're gonna try to make some lemonade.
More or less.
Right, so I was thinking, let's just make this interesting, guys. I might regret this, like, entirely, but do you have the charger? Your phone charger? Can I borrow that right quick? Can I borrow that right quick?
You need a charge?
I'm gonna call up some viewers. I'm literally going to call some viewers. Not, of course, with my actual phone number, because that'd be a terrible idea. That happened to Peric, and he had to get a whole new phone. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. What I wanted to share with you guys is that I've just had the idea that I'm just gonna call some of you guys, you know, just check in with y'all and
check how the bite is.
Yeah, hope that you guys are all good. So, first one, star 67. We're gonna call Parker Still. Watch me mess this up, and Parker's gonna have my number indefinitely.
Hello?
Yo, is this Parker?
Yeah.
Hey man, what's going on?
What's going on?
I just wanted to see if you'd be cool to be in the video.
Yeah, I want to be in the video.
Okay, sick. You're in the video. All right, man. Great talking with you.
Right,
I'm just playing. What's going on? You doing any fishing recently?
No, I went ice fishing like 2 weeks ago up in Centralia. I live in Kansas.
Oh, nice. How'd that go?
Not yet.
Is Kansas good ice fishing right now, or what?
It was this year, yeah.
Well, hey, man. I hope you're doing well. It was so great talking with you, and thanks for being part of the video. Anything you want to say last minute?
Follow me on Instagram at parker.stills00 and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep fishing. And yeah, thanks for calling.
Yeah, definitely. I'm just gonna call that like free promotion stuff out. No, I'm just playing. Have a good one, dude. See ya.
See ya.
Peace. That one went well, right?
Yeah.
Parker, nice talking with you, man.
Gracias, Parker.
Gracias, Parker. We're gonna give a buddy a buzz who's on the same river as us right now. That's crazy. Dude, the mud puppy bite is on fire right now.
Dude, I think we probably caught about 50. We're out by the power plant right now.
Holy smokes, man. I think I caught a 3-pounder.
We got another one. Another mud puppy.
Wait, you guys aren't out fishing for sturgeon, right? You're actually going for mud puppies, because that's what we're doing right now.
No, we're going for sturgeon.
No, we're going for mud puppies. Where are you guys at? Drop us a waypoint. Are they frothing over there?
Yeah.
Holy guacamole. Oh yeah, we just shake the sturgeon off, honestly. We've gotten a few at the hole, and we just shake them off and hope on the next drop we get the puppies to.
Yeah, that's a bycatch.
Yeah.
While you've been here, have you at least caught one sturgeon?
You know, I fouled one in the tail, so does that count, or what's the deal on that?
That kind of counts. But
It's like a half sturgeon, right?
at least you've gotten to fight one, depending on how big it is, at least.
Yeah, no, it's been fun out here. It's just a bit of a grind. Is your name Nils? Is that your name?
Yeah, that's my name.
That's an interesting name. You're on video right now. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's totally good.
Righteous. Well, I'm gonna get back to smoking some of these These puppies, you guys keep her going. Take care. See you. Bye. I feel like they kind of believe the fact that we were going after.
So there where we started yesterday.
Yeah,
It's full of mud puppies,
puppies.
and tiny sturgeon.
Yeah, and we've got fat mud puppies and no sturgeon.
Yeah.
So we're dialed.
Actually,
Yeah, it's a fish.
watch us hook up right now.
Hello?
Staring at the bobber.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
Quick question. Do you know where any of the sturgeon spots on the St. Croix would be good to start at?
Sturgeon spots on the St. Croix. What part of St. Croix are you at?
The part without sturgeon. We need to go to the part with sturgeon.
Ooh, the part with sturgeon. Hold on, I'll pull up my laptop and do a little Googling and yeah, you got your sturgeon spotters with you?
That's the issue. I forgot them.
Okay, real talk though, how many people actually responded to that?
Oh, to the
To your story.
decent amount, yeah. You had a fat walleye in your picture, so I thought I'd give you a call up and looked like it was at night. I didn't know if you accidentally caught that while sturgeon fishing. It's a bit of a stretch. I was on a hunch that maybe you accidentally caught that walleye while going after lake sturgeon and wanted to call you up to see if you had any tips, but I think I'm in the wrong spot.
What depth of water are you guys fishing?
30 feet. 31 feet.
31.8.
31.8.
Let's be specific here.
Yes, yeah.
Are you guys on like a flat or what are you guys on? Are you on just like a drop?
Oh, buddy, I don't know. It's deep water with pretty much nothing. Have you ever seen pictures underwater of the Dead Sea? That's
Yeah, that's what's
about what we're looking at right now.
Oh, it's just like a dead zone, nothing, huh? I think you guys are catching a bunch of them, we call them four-wheelers. I don't know what you guys call them. Mud puppies,
You
maybe?
got
Four-wheelers.
Yeah.
There's slimy little buggers, aren't they? We just wanted to drop you a line, see how you're doing. We're gonna let you get back to your night. And thanks for talking with us.
Alright, hey man, cool. Thanks for the call up. This is great. This
Hey.
honestly like kind of made my night.
Made my night
love
too,
you,
dude.
man.
Hey, thanks for
Yeah,
being
keep
rad,
it
dude.
down. Take it easy, man.
Peace. Take care.
Alright, bye.
See ya.
Out here catching four-wheelers, eh?
Four-wheelers, I love that. We need to stop calling them mud puppies and call them four-wheelers. I'm gonna give one last viewer a call, and then we're gonna have to probably start thinking about packing it up.
Oh. Can't get any worse than yesterday.
It just got worse than yesterday. One last call. This is Jimmy from BC, Canada. Alright, Jimmy, you better pick up, dude. I'm gonna be pissed if you don't.
Hello?
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. I just wanted to check in with you, see what's going on, and just curious about that steelhead bite you've been on for a few weeks now.
Wait, who is this?
Greg?
Greg? No way. John, is this you? Stop. I'm gonna freak out.
No, I said it was Greg with a G.
Bet. Okay. John? No way. Stop.
Alright.
No, and I just DM'd you my phone number. I'm gonna freak out, man.
Alright, it's John. You got me, bud. You got me.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm about to pass out. That's
Okay, whoa. Easy now. Easy.
Don't hit the
I don't
phone.
need a lawsuit, Jimmy. Take it easy. Okay, deep breaths, bud. Deep breaths.
I'm from BC, and when you guys went with Kevin Estrada on Sturgeon Slayers, I was like, no way.
Yeah, Kevin's the man. Have you gone for sturgeon on the Fraser before?
Oh yeah, yep. My dad and I have a 18-foot aluminum, so yeah, we go on the Fraser and the pit.
You guys are quote unquote dialed.
Yeah, exactly.
Is steelhead action going on right now? I was checking some of your pics. I wasn't creeping. I was just seeing what you were up to.
Yeah, no worries, man.
You got on a hot sturgeon bite? Is that what you've been up to lately?
Sturgeon, but yeah.
Oh, sorry, I meant steelhead.
You're
Steelhead.
You're ice fishing for me.
Yeah, well, we're ice fishing
We're
for
trying.
nothing
You're
right
catching
now.
a lot of salamanders.
Yeah. Yeah, Jimmy, you're right. We're catching a lot of salamander. Yeah, you bet, dude. I'm going to let you get going. It was great talking with you, and good luck with the steelhead this season.
Awesome. Thanks so much, John. Good luck with the sturgeon.
All right, take care, dude. See ya.
Jimmy's like positivity just filled the room.
I know,
really
right?
Need a sturgeon to bite.
Jimmy's freaking enthusiasm is bouncing off the walls of this shanty right now. What a freaking happy
It's
guy.
Ever so slightly woken me up just that much.
I know, right? Pretty much the only time I've ever called any viewers. I've met you guys in person. I've responded in comments and DMs and such, but I've never called, so that's kind of cool. I kind of jumped into this. It wasn't like a premeditated situation where I was like, I've got these questions thought out, so.
Ooh. Is it a mud puppy?
There's
Here
a
we
fish
go.
down there. There's a fish down there.
Oh my
That was a
god.
He f***ing whiffed so hard.
Alrighty, my dude.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much for round two.
Yeah, thank
Sorry,
you
it
so
wasn't
much for
bad.
like staying out here
Very
with us. We're just
successful.
Yeah, we'll link up again.
thank you
Take
so
care.
much again.
Drive safe.
This is the exact reason why we have to leave early and why we are not gonna smallmouth fish an extra day. This may not look like much, but it's about to get worse.
Dude, this is a nasty smell. Watch this.
It's super slippery, so we're gonna get on the road early this morning, dip on out of here. As much as I'd hate to say goodbye to the smallmouth and the non-existent sturgeon, I do believe it is our time.
Yeah, those don't
to head the frick out of here, dude. Yeah, the sturgeon don't exist. That's a fact.
That's a myth.
Wish us luck, guys. We got a long ride home. Oh man, this looks great.
You're not gonna get any more.
Connect to a shell, love it. Always trust restaurants that are connected to shells. That's always seems to be the way to go. All right. So we made it to our first stop. Our snow has turned into rain. We're in kind of, not really central Wisconsin, but we've made it down the ladder in Wisconsin, and we got out of that snow. That snowstorm was hairy. We actually almost got hit by this guy right here. He almost clipped us with his trailer. Got a little edgy, but now we're at the family restaurant. All right, let's get in there, eat some eggs Benny. Eggs Benny, gonna get some eggs Benny.
Where's my tripod at, Chris?
Look at this.
I got you covered.
Freaking King Curd over here. What in the nut? Dude, I'm coming on with at least a pound. Oh, then they got the all beef summer saucy
Liver
brunch.
sausage.
All right, let's go get a table. You want to? Oh, we get to try some. There's a sample. Check this out. For those of you guys who don't know, Wisconsin has the best cheese. That's been out for a bit.
It's gonna stick to my arteries too much, but I'm getting the Southern style breakfast.
Where's that at? Southern
Park
style.
Oasis specialties, dude.
You should get the Philadelphia steak in honor of the fact that they're going to the bowl.
Go to Classic Dishes, you'll know.
I feel like you already know this menu. Like, did you scope this menu out before you came here?
Oh, I scope.
Yo, so like, I'm a really weird eater, and I was just like super in the mood for like a meat lover's omelet. They didn't have it on the menu, so I was just like, yo, just throw some meat and like a 3-egg omelet. Call it a day. Look at this. She threw some freaking meat in there. That's about a half pound of meat. I got a small cow in my omelet right now. I'm not complaining. It's delicious. Oh, thank you so much.
All right, guys, enjoy.
Thank you. This place is so cash. I messed up. Can you give us another update on time? 55 minutes.
John B. always messing up.
55 minutes.
55 minutes away from
home.
our exit point.
So we are about a 55-minute fur piece from Illinois, which is home for Chris and I both. What?
We're in Illinois, bud.
Are we in Illinois right now? Seriously? Feels like we're still in Wisconsin. I was wrong. Chris has been so kind enough to drive most of the way from Eau Claire. Eau Claire or Eau Claire? It's Eau Claire. From Eau Claire to Illinois. Breakfast is awesome. I'm now washing down that meat lover's omelet with a little blue icy. Great combo. This is stop number 2, and the next stop will be home. Let's get her going, Chris. Throw in the drive.
Did they just mix it up with some blueberries? Looks like you got some, what is this, some lemon juice, some,
That's all natural, Chris. Give me this. This
Bananas
is all natural.
too?
Yeah. Plantains.
Plantain.
Yeah.
I like to clear it out. Holiday as soon as Bobby get back on the road. Money and women like 24/7. That's where my dude 6 with my woos. You know how that
Damn, Cole, wish I knew that you would been rich. Well, shoulda asked.
There goes Chris right there. See ya. See ya, Chris. Chris just got scooped up halfway. I am now driving and I am now on my way home. I think this is probably appropriate time to wrap the video up and to thank you guys for watching this little mini sturgeon series. Let me know in the comment section below. Should I go for revenge? Should I attempt to chase after the elusive ice sturgeon once more? I was talking to Chris about it on the way here. I think we have to give it one last send before we can completely roll over and try to do this next year. You guys watch my videos, and I'm not gonna do it if you guys don't wanna see it, so comment below. Maybe some of you guys out there even know of some good ice fishing sturgeon spots. If so, let me know. It was so great fishing with Northwoods Anglers. Great guys, so generous to take us out and show us how it's done. Be sure to comment in the comment section below where my next journey should be. I wanna keep it in the Midwest. I wanna keep it up north just for a short while, so I'll let you guys dictate where y'all think I should head on over to next. But I'm signing out. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. It was a real pleasure. As always, folks, have fun, stay safe, keep fishing, never stop.